Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you use Excel, whether you are a student, yeah, a working professional, yeah, just someone who loves productivity, so this video is for you guys. So today I'm sharing three powerful Excel shortcuts that will save your time and make your workflow smoother. So let's dive in. So as you can see in my screen, I have mentioned three amazing Excel shortcuts which I am going to share with you. So I have just made three columns: date, percentage, and INR, and with respect to the values, as you can see over here. So the shortcut number one is, so let's example, if you want to convert numbers, I mean that these values to date. So let's example, if I want to select these, and if you want to convert these numeric values to date, so just use the shortcut Control Shift and 3. As you can see, the numeric value converted into the date format. So similar way, shortcut number two, if you want to convert these value as in percentage format in Excel, so then use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus 5. You can see all the values converted into the percentage format. And the third, we will see that, let's example, if you have the numeric value which you wanted to convert into the Indian rupees symbol, then just use the shortcuts Control plus Shift plus 4. Here you go. So these value converted into the Indian rupees symbol. That's it, guys. Three Excel shortcuts that will instantly boost your productivity. So, guys, if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below if you want a part two. Yeah, have your own favorite shortcuts to share. Until next time, keep learning, keep changing. Thank you.